In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DecisionPoint Price Momentum Oscillator in TradingView Pro. Quick and easy guide. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine. You just need a chart on the screen so we can add the indicator to it. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar. Look for the button labeled Indicators, sometimes called Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This is where TradingView keeps all of the built-in tools as well as community scripts and any favorites you've saved. When the Indicators window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar so we can quickly find the indicator we want instead of scrolling through long lists. TradingView has a lot of indicators, so using search is always the fastest way. In the search field, start typing DecisionPoint Price Momentum Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will filter the list below. When you see DecisionPoint Price Momentum Oscillator appear in the results, click on it once. As soon as you do that, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically, usually in a separate panel underneath your price chart. Take a second to confirm it's there. You should see a new window with lines moving up and down, representing the momentum readings. If it looks a bit small or crowded, don't worry. We're going to adjust it next. Move your mouse over the indicator panel and look for the small gear icon, which opens the settings. Click on that settings icon. This will bring up the configuration window where you can fine-tune how the DecisionPoint Price Momentum Oscillator behaves and looks on your chart. Here you can adjust inputs like lengths or smoothing if you have a preferred setup, and you can customize colors and line thickness so it's easy to see against your chart background. If you're just getting started, you can leave the default settings as they are and focus on getting comfortable with how the oscillator moves relative to price. Once you're happy with your settings, click OK or close the window, and your customized indicator will be ready to use. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want to follow along with the same features, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up. That's all you need to quickly add the DecisionPoint Price Momentum Oscillator to your TradingView Pro charts.